Hello students, welcome back to mathematics class. Okay, in today's class, let us learn a new chapter that is nothing but linear equation in one variable. Okay, so now what is equation, children? Linear equation. Before learning, let us see what is equation. Okay, so equation in the sense, for example, if I take this one, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. It is called as equation. Why it is called as equation, you know? Because there is an equal sign. Okay, so equal sign wherever there makes an equation. Got it, children? So now this is equation. So here one left hand side, one right hand side there. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Two sides are there. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so now in this we have to learn about linear equation in one variable. So what does that mean? If 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, there is, if I write 5 plus 1 as any one place, if I write one variable, right, variable plus 1 is equal to 6. So this is a linear equation in one variable. Means if any one of the constant is taken as a variable. So yes, plus 1 is equal to 6. Children, so this is called as a linear equation. One variable, x is called as variable, which is having the power. Power not there which you are thinking, but power is there, children. X is having power 1. So if any y is there means it is having power 1. Y means what? Y to the power 1. We are not mentioning 1, but it is having the power 1. So if power not there means we cannot write it as 0, children. X to the power 0 is always 1. Then x is not existed, right? X to the power is always 1 comes. So power should not be 0. So power should be 1. So any one variable, only one variable with the power 1 there means that is called as linear equation in one variable. What is? So x is called as variable. Not only x, you can mention y, z, p, q, a, b. Any of the letter you can write in that manner. Is it okay, children? But only one variable is having the highest power. This is called as power. Power should be 1. Got it? Understood? So now you may be thinking, so is this a linear equation now? Just see here. Is this a linear equation, children? No, you are right. Why? Because one variable, right, but it is having power 2. Power 2 is there means it is not called as a linear equation. Got it? Power 2 comes in the next lesson, that next here, that is quadratic equation. Now here we are mentioning only one variable into one power. Is it okay, children? So it is not a linear equation. Then if I say like this, is this a linear equation? Yes, you are right. It is not a linear equation. Why, children? Always mention what? One variable. But there are how many variables? There are two variables. Two different variables are there means also they are not called as a linear equation. Okay, children. Then one more if I take 3x is equal to 1. Is this a linear equation? Yes, children. X is having power 1. Along with the x, any coefficient may be there, but x should have the power 1. 1 x adds with 1 power is there means it is called as linear equation. If I say like this, children, 5x is equal to 5 plus 3x. So is this a linear equation? Is this a linear equation? Yes. Yes. X may be repeated many number of times or y may be repeated many number of times, but x only one variable. Yes, children, x is only one variable. How many times you should write? But it should have a this is a linear equation. Got it, children? So what is linear equation then? Linear equation is the equation is having only one variable with the highest power 1. With the highest power 1. Okay, so how many times x repeat? No problem. But it should have a power 1. But you should have a solution for that. One solution. Because x is having one power means x will have only one solution. Then how can we write linear equation? So this is a linear equation. This is not a linear equation. This is not a linear equation. Why you don't know? Now this is a linear equation. This is a linear equation, children. Got it? So now what is the meaning of this linear equation means? So linear equation in the sense x plus 1 is equal to 6 I wrote. So it is in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax plus b is equal to 0 means a may be any number. Okay, b may be any number. They are called as coefficients. Okay, or constants. Okay, children. So a is any number, b is any number, a and b are any integers. But variable should be x. X is one variable. So a and b are integers. A and b are integers. Any integer. But x having the only one variable. Only one variable. That is called as x in this. So this is the standard form of the linear equation in one variable. Got it, children? So what is the standard form of the linear equation? Ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are integers. X is only one variable with the highest power 1. Then it is called as the linear equation in one variable. Got it? Linear equation in one variable. Hope you all understood. Right? So can we write its definition? Please note it down in your math class work. Okay? Please write down this in your math class work. What is linear equation? Linear equation in one variable. One variable means what? Let us see there. Okay, so here the linear equation in one variable is an equation which is expressed in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are two integers, and x is a variable. And the highest power of the variable appears in them is 1. Okay, so it is in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. A and b are any integer in that matter. If I can write here, for 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, or we can write, otherwise you can write any of the constant number. Is it okay then? Constant you can write. So this is the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. Is it okay then? So now for example, what we can do? Example for this. Okay, so the example we can take it as x plus 5 is equal to 7. Or another example, if I take 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Like this, student. So then t by 5 is equal to 5. So one variable with power 1. Okay, then it is called as a linear equation in one variable. Is it okay? So now after learning the linear equation, let us learn how to solve that linear equation. How to solve? Okay, so linear equation is having only one answer, only one solution. That solution we have to find now. Let us find now. Okay, for example, how to solve? Solving linear equation. Okay, so how to solve this linear equation? Let us take the example and understand. Is it okay then? So here, if I take x plus 5 is equal to 7. How to solve this, children? How to solve this? Okay, there are two methods. Which method you prefer? You can do it for the examination. Okay, children, which one you feel easier? That you do. Okay, so now here two methods. One method I will explain, another method later I will explain. Got it? So now first what you can do is here, along with the variable x, 5 there is plus 5 there is okay, you have to subtract minus 5. Means you have to write minus 5. Add minus 5. Is it okay, children? Plus 5 there means minus 5. So what you have to do? Subtract 5 both sides. Both sides. Okay. So now what you have to do, see here, x plus 5 minus 5. Plus 5 there means minus 5. Okay, is equal to 7 minus 5. Both sides you have to write minus 5. Got it, children? So what you have to do? Plus 5 minus 5 will get cancelled. Then who is remaining? X is equal to 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Right? X is equal to 2. It is the solution. What is the solution of x? So x is equal to 2 is the solution of a linear equation. Is it okay, children? So this is called the solution. If you want, you can do with another method. So that is called as transposing. Transposing in the sense x plus 5 is equal to 7. So what you have to do is plus 5 you have to transpose to right hand side. Is it okay? So this is the left hand side. You have to take it to right hand side. Transposing 5. 5. Let us take that side. So it will become x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Plus 5 going that side. Minus 5. So x is equal to 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is how much, children? 2. So this is the answer. So both method will also get the same answer. So whichever you feel easier that you do, children, for the examination. Is it okay? So, if I take one verification you have to do, verification. So verify x is equal to 2 there. Let us see our answer is correct or not. You have to check, children. So for that sake, what you have to do? So x plus 5 is equal to 7 is my question. What answer you got? 2, no? So x value, how much you have to put the 2? Okay, so if I put x value 2 there, 2 plus 5, add up, how much coming? 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Right, children? 2 plus 5 is 7. So then 2 plus 5 is 7. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then our method is proper, means we can understand. Is it okay, children? Understood? So what we explain now in the class? Okay. So let us do its exercise problem now. Now let us start exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Okay. So heading solve the following. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Okay, children? Solve the following equations. So here first one, write first one. 6 is equal to Z plus 2. 6 is equal to Z plus 2. 6 is equal to Z plus 2. Okay, children. So what you have to do? I want the value of Z. How can you find the value of Z? Which method will you prefer? I can do with the transposing method. When I do this transposing method, children. Okay, children. So what you have to do, see here. I want the value of Z. I want the value of Z. I don't want plus to be here. Plus 2. Variable keep in one place. Variable retain in one place. Along with the variable, take transport to another side. Is it okay? Now children, see here. 6 is already here. Write as is. Plus 2 going there. Minus 2. Plus 2 going there. Minus 2 is equal to Z. Okay. 6 minus 2 is how much, children? 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. So what is the value of Z? Z is equal to 4. Like this you have write here. Therefore value of Z is 4. This is the answer. Okay. So now let us do the next problem. You can verify your answer is right or not by putting in this, right, children? So verification for your sake. Okay, you have to understand your answer is correct or not. So check that you verify here. 6 is equal to Z place 4. 4 plus 2. What is 4 plus 2? 6 itself. Right, children? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then Z is equal to 4. Is the solution of this linear equation. Now let us move to next problem. Second one. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Okay. So now what you have to do, see here. X retain as it is. Along with x, who is there? Transpose to another side. Let us do it now. So x write as it is equal to write as it is. 17 by 7 write as it is. Plus 3 by 7 going there. Minus 3 by 7. Okay, children. So now what is the value of x? X is equal to, when the denominators are same, write the denominator as it is. Okay, then subtract the numerator. 17 minus 3. So what is the value of x then? X is equal to 17 minus 3 is how much, children? Yes, 14 by 7. Okay, so now 7 table 14 comes to simplify. Is it okay? 7 ones are 7 twos are. What is the value of x? X is equal to 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is 2 itself. Is it okay? 2 by 1 is 2 itself. Like this we can find the value. Is it okay, children? So let us move to next problem now. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Now one side fraction, one side whole number is present here. What you have to do in such case? So what you have to do is one side fraction, one side whole number is to just cross this number like this. Then this numerator write as it is here. 2x as it is 3 into 18. 3 into 18 not right. So 3 into 18. Got it children? So instead of multiplying this, next step what we can do is x is equal to, I want alone x here. Where this 2 will go? You won't go transpose to that side because there is a multiplication. 2 into x children. 2 into x. 2 plus x means you can take 2 that side. You can transpose it to that side. But here 2 into there means 2 into x can be written as x is equal to 2 will go to denominator. 2 will go to denominator. Who will retain in numerator? 3 into 18. So 2 went to denominator. Got it children? So 3 into 18 by 2. Okay. So then 2 ones are 2. How much are 18? 2 nines are 2 nines are 18. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. Like this we can do the sum. Is it okay children? So what you did first? 2x retained as it is 3 into 18. 3 into 18. I did not multiply because I can take 2 to denominator. It is easily cut and go on children. Okay, so instead of multiplying, retain as it is 2 take to denominator. 2 nines are 18. 9 threes are 27. Like this we can get the answer. Is it okay? So let us move to the next problem now. So the fourth problem is 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. So even this is the same. Okay children. So your decimal is there, but the method is one and the same. One side fraction, one side whole number like that is what you have to do. You have to cross multiply. Cross multiply. Okay. So you can write like this 1.6. So you can write y is equal to, okay, y is equal to 1.6 into 1.5. Just multiply and here 1.6 into 1.5 how much? 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. Second time multiplication you can write it as 0. 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1. What is the answer? 0. 8 plus 6 14. 1 plus 1, 2. Point afterwards 1 place, point afterwards 1 place, point afterwards 2 places are there. Means back side count 2 places and put the decimal like this. 2.40 or 2.4 is the answer. Understood children? Okay. So y is equal to 2.4. You can write the answer y is equal to 2.4. Like this we can do. Okay, so we do the next problem again. With the problem, so it is 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Okay, so now again what you have to do? Think carefully children. Plus minus anything like that there means you can transpose to that side. Is it okay? So into there means you can take it to denominator. Into there means you can take it to denominator. So that is the main thing in linear equation solving. Okay. So now 7x. I want 7x because 7 is a variable log of that. So 7x retained as it is equal to write as it is. 16 write as it is. 7x is equal to 16. Minus 9 going that side. Plus 9. Minus 9 going that side. 25. Okay, so I want the value of x. X is equal to 25 divided by 7. 7 will go to denominator. Please don't take to that side. Is it okay children? 7 into there. Into will go for a division. Is it okay? Into will become division. So it will become 25 divided by 7. You cannot divide that number. So retain as it is. Is it okay? Retain as it is. Okay. Now next problem. Here x by 3, 6 1, x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. 7 by 15. Okay children. So x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So what we can do? X wherever they retain in one place. So x along with O is there, retain in one place. Is it okay? So x by 3 as it is equal to 7 by 15, right, as it is 7 by 15 plus 1 going that side minus 1 plus 1 going that side minus 1. So here x by 3, right, as it is equal to, right, 7 by 15, right, plus 1 transpose to that side. It is becoming minus 1. Be careful while solving these problems. Is it okay? So now x by 3, right, as it is. Now children, so it is subtraction. Fraction subtraction means you have to take the LCM. Okay, so how to take the LCM? See here, 7, right, as it is. So what you can do means, if there is one fraction, is there one whole number that there means, you can just multiply like this. Mind only. Is it okay? See here, 7 minus 15 ones are 15 by 15. Like this. Okay, so otherwise your own method you can apply here by 1, right, also. 7 minus 15 ones are 15 by 15. Is it okay? So, if like this we do means 7, right, as it is, minus 15 ones are 15. Okay, so next step what you have to do, x by 3 is equal to 7 minus 15. 7 minus 15 is minus 8. 1 plus 1 minus, you have to subtract. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Etc. So then by 15 as it is. Now both fractions there is what you have to do. You have to cross multiply. How to cross multiply? See here. Just cross this one there. Is it okay children? Just cross it. X retained as it is. X is equal to, along with x who is there, that is going to numerator here. So it is becoming 3 into minus 8 by 15. So 3 into minus 8 by 15. So 3 1s are 3 5s are. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. Now who is remaining there? X is equal to minus 8 1s are minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. Okay. Now that's all about this problem. Now let us do some homework problems to you. Please note it down in your maths classroom and do it without fail. X minus 2 is equal to 7. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Then P by 5 is equal to 10. And 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Okay, that's all about this homework. So next class let us go to some more problems of linear equation in one variable. Till then, take care. Thank you.